So the first on our list is fever. So kapag nilalagnat ka, takpan ka ng kumot para pagpawisan. So that's one of the myths.
Uso yan sa Pilipinas,
Yes,
di ba? Yung
yes.
balutin ka, balutin mo. So, hindi yan totoo.
Kasi I feel like kung nilalaglag ka, di ba nagsishiver ka? Siguro yung thinking is you're cold. But but the truth is it's your body fighting the infection. It's your body reacting to the bacteria, ano bang meron sa katawan mo, in response nagsishiver ka.
So, yung pagbalot sa'yo ng kumot ng mga lola mo, it's not a medical treatment.
Yes.
It's more of like a slow roast, parang iniihaw
Oo.
ka. Kasi parang more na
Nagiging
nagpapanda ka ng
mainit.
heat sa katawan mo.
More na tumataas yung temperature mo, the more na you're uncomfortable. So, in hospital, what we advise is, hindi naman talaga strip all the clothes, pero yung mga thin clothing, like sando, para mas ma-expose yung patient, para mas madaling ma-cool down yung body. Yeah.
How to manage yung fever talaga. So, for us nurses, what we normally do or advise to patients, do a tepid sponge bath, paliguan nyo yung pasyente or wash nyo yung patient. Because fever is the body's immune response. So, doon malalaman mo kung may infection ba, or kung
it can be a sign of a lot of things. Yeah.
Yeah, so yun nga, tepid sponge bath, paracetamol, every 4 hours, 6 hours, depending on the prescription from the doctor.
Yeah.
Also encourage oral fluid intake, hydration. The more fluid, the better.
Yeah.
And rest.